Now, welcome to part 2 of indices. Now, this part of indices will only be in the higher paper, so if you're doing a foundation paper, you can step away, or you can carry on watching and learn something new. Right, cool. Let's say, for example, we have question 1, 2 to power of minus 2. Now, what does this mean? Now, whenever you see a minus as a power, you flip it and you find the reciprocal of it. Now, what I mean by that is, for example, because it's 2 to the power minus 2, the reciprocal of 2 is a half. So, because it's 2 to the power minus 2, you do 1 over 2. Now, square, because the square is right here. Now, that will give us 1 to the power, that will give us 1 over 4, which is a quarter. Now, let's just do another example. Let's do 3 to the power of minus 5. Remember, because it's the power of minus 5, we find the reciprocal of 3, which is a third. And because it's the power of 5, we do 3 to the power of 5, which equals 2. Equals to 243. Okay. Now, let's say for example, your next stage of questions I want to focus on is fractions. So let's say, for example, you have 25 to the power of half. Now, whenever you see the power of a fraction, that means you find the square root or cube root, or depending what the number is. So in this instance, it's 25 to the power of half, which means we're going to find the square root of 25, which equals plus or minus 5. Okay, let's try another example. Let's do, next example, let's do 1,000 to the power of a third. Now remember, because it's a fraction, we must find the cube root of 1,000. So right here, cube root of 1,000, which equals to 10. Let's say, for example, there's a negative fraction as a power. So let's do 16 to the power of minus 1/2. Now, what do we do from there? Remember what negative means. It means the reciprocal. So we 1 over 16 half. Remember what the power half means. We square root that number. So 1 over square root of 16, which equals 1 over 4. Now, let's say, for example, you have this question. Let's say you have 1,000 to the power of 2 over 3. Now, what does this mean? Now, remember what we said before. Because it's a fraction, we cube root, then we square the answer afterwards. So cube root of 1,000, which equals to 10. Then we have 10 squared, which equals to 100. So for more revision, go on algebrafund.co.uk, where you can watch revision videos and attempt worksheets, and also attempt past paper questions.